Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me INFINIX Hot 20, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this device. To do it, first open your Play Store and here find ACR Cube. Click Install and wait a while. Then click Open, click Next, grant permission while using the app, allow, enable app connector, then find your Cube ACR connector and enable it, click Allow, then click Allow, click OK, go eat, Allow, no thanks, OK, go eat, and great. Here you can pay free, but what you will give from what you will get from unlimited access to premium feature. So you will have cloud backup. Why? App lock with PIN. Why you need it? Install post call actions, no ads and more. So I suggest use only free version of this application. I think this is the best app you can use for free to record calls. And now all your calls will be automatically recorded. And of course, you need to lock your app in your app manager. To do it, click on this right button on your screen, and you will have all enabled application right now. And just swipe your finger from up to down to lock will appear here. And now your application will always enabled in the background, and in this way all your calls will be automatically recorded. But if you have no root access on your device, only your voice will be recorded when you're talking about using your smartphone. So if you want to your Cube ACR record not only your voice but the voice of your conversation partner, you need to enable speaker mode, loudness mode, to your microphone pick up your voice and voice of your conversation partner both. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.